Hi, this is Rob Smith from VBA Data Solutions. For more tutorials and information about services I can offer, go to baindatasolutions.co.uk. Hi, this is an overview of the Moving Bubble Chart project, which I've got a full series for other videos explaining how I produce this, but essentially it's about how I produce a chart like this, or how in the past I've produced one a lot like this, and the project goes over the methodology using some sort of pseudo random data which I've created for this fictional clothes shop called Trendy Shop. So it takes the data from above here, so it's set out as three separate types of data and split by the same four shops, and then in our code it sets some global variables about the amount of series that we've got and the amount of interpolated points between each of the static data points and the number of months that we're using, and sets those values, puts the static data points into an array called array main points, produces a second larger array which has got all the interpolated data points between and including those main data points, and then the button which is on the page executes this iterates sub-procedure, which just goes through from each one of the points in that larger array, populates the text box which shows us what month we're working with, and then populates the chart based on the larger array. So we use arrays for speed of calculation, and also to keep our workbook size down, and to enable the user to easily change the number of gaps between each data point. Let's just try that again. So we can see that this is, instead of if we had some code which just changed the months from January to February, there'd be a large sort of clunky change, whereas here, because we've got interpolated points between those two, you see a relatively smooth change between them. And that's a lot. So there's a full series of tutorials on it on both my website and on YouTube channel, so if you want to explore in full detail you can there, and there'll be a link to the actual file provided as well. And if you want me to do a similar project for you, then just get in touch with baindatasolutions.co.uk. Cheerio. Hope to speak to you again soon.